and the air crackled with tension. Elijah stood on Mount Carmel, a stark figure against the parched landscape. His eyes blazed with righteous anger. Hundreds of false prophets cowered nearby. They had challenged the one true God. Elijah would be their judge. "How long will you waver?" Elijah boomed. "If the Lord is God, follow him. If Baal is God, follow him." His voice echoed across the silent crowd. The people were afraid. They knew the power of both the Lord and Baal. Elijah pointed to 2 altars. "Prepare a bull. Call on your God," he commanded the prophets of Baal. "Will call on the Lord, the God who answers by fire. He is God." The challenge was set. And the prophets of Baal leaped into a frenzy. They danced and shouted. They cut themselves with knives, but their cries went unanswered. The sun beat down on the silent altar. Despair began to creep into their hearts. Elijah watched with quiet amusement. When evening came, he approached the altar of the Lord. He repaired it with 12 stones, 1 for each tribe of Israel. Then he prepared the sacrifice. He dug a trench around the altar and arranged the wood. Finally, he laid the bull upon it. Elijah prayed. He prayed for the people to see the truth. He prayed for God's power to be revealed. His prayer was a whisper, yet it echoed with the power of his conviction. Suddenly, the heavens opened. A ball of fire descended from the sky. It struck the altar with a deafening roar. The fire consumed the sacrifice, the wood, even the stones themselves. The people cried out in awe and terror. The prophets of Baal were paralyzed with fear. Their false god was powerless. They had angered the one true God. They knew their doom was at hand. As quickly as it had appeared, the fire vanished. Silence fell. Then a low rumble shook the ground. Dark clouds gathered overhead, blotting out the sun. The wind howled, whipping Elijah's cloak around him. For the first time in years, rain began to fall. At first it was just a few drops, then the heavens opened and a torrent poured down. The drought was broken. The power of the Lord had prevailed.